Namaste. I am Monica Purohit from India. I and my husband Gyanendra Purohit, we are working for deaf and speech impaired community in India. We are running a society, Anand Service Society, and we have especially equipped a police station for deaf and especially challenged people where they can lodge their complaint in sign language. We are working on education, vocational training, as well as we are looking after the sexual abuse cases of the deaf and mentally challenged girls in India. I really appreciate the initiative of Republic of Women. The way they have recognized the women through across the world is wonderful initiative. I have great respect for Republic of Women. I am Monica Purohit express deep gratitude to the Republic of Women for bestowing upon the RAW International Women's Day 21 awards globally, 3rd position in the People's Choice category, and 5 more prestigious awards under the categories of Agent of Change Maker and Beauty of Sustainable Development Goals. I feel profusely glorified as award has been conferred on the momentous occasion of International Women's Day. Thank you. My objectives for the Republic of Women are as following. Since I work for especially challenged women and children segment, I will work on focusing the following areas: empowerment of women through education, building of skill capabilities and self-reliance of women, empowerment and rehabilitation of girls and women with disabilities, physical and mental, visual and speech hearing impairment, prevention of sexual abuse and molestation of girls and women with special focus on most vulnerable groups, girls and women with speech and hearing and visual impairment, speedy dispensation of justice to victims of sexual abuse and molestation. The first innovation, the Republic of Women, the first ever borderless digital state to be 21st century revolution of elevating the status of every single woman on the planet such that all the women have access to social equality, economic equality, political equality. This is seemingly a momentous task, not to be distant dream. This can be accomplished when the good feminist force, men and women, he and she work together for she with collective will and missionary zeal. Recognition to outstanding feminist men and women, it is the heartening that the first year of RAW have begun with honoring the outstanding women feminists. World over, there are plenty of Samaritans from the male community who have dedicated their lives for the cause of elevating the status of women and have helped prevention of their exploitation. The IOW may recognize and honor such unsung heroes, he for she, along with the women achievers on the International Women's Day. This shall create an army of inspired and motivated feminists who can work in coordination for the attaining of the vision of the Republic of Women for creating a world with equal rights and opportunities for the women. I congratulate Parvati Jangir to be selected as the first RAW president and my dear sister, fellow sister, Mary Miliband from USA. I really thanks everyone who has voted me and supported me to come to this way. Thank you very much.